Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Claude AI stuck on verification code. Alright, so let's begin. First, refresh the page and request a new verification code. Make sure that you enter only the most recent code you receive, as older codes may expire quickly. Also, double check for any typing mistakes or extra spaces when entering the code. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the verification process. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or connect to a different network and then try again. If you are using a VPN or proxy service, temporarily disable it and reload the page. Some verification systems may block or delay requests coming from VPN servers, which can cause the verification screen to get stuck. After that, try using a different browser or open the website in an incognito or private window. This can help rule out issues caused by browser settings, extensions, or stored session data. You can also clear your browser's cache and cookies. On Chrome or Edge, press Ctrl+, Shift+, Delete, select cookies and cached images and files, and then clear the data. Restart the browser and try the verification process again. Next, check your email inbox carefully, including the spam, junk, and promotions folders. If you receive multiple verification emails, always use the latest code and ignore older ones. If the issue continues, temporarily disable browser extensions such as ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers. These extensions can sometimes interfere with the verification process and prevent the page from working correctly. Finally, try signing in from a different device, such as your phone or another computer. If nothing works, the issue may be caused by a temporary server problem, so wait a while and try again later. And that's it. This is how you can fix Claude AI stuck on verification code. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.